Are you getting the message? Your account has to be linked to at least one third-party account on CapCut on your iPhone or Android? This usually happens when you want to unlink your TikTok account or your CapCut account isn't connected to Apple ID, Google, or TikTok. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue. So let's get started. Solution 1. Unlink an app. First, open up the CapCut app. Now tap on the Me tab or profile icon below. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Next, tap on the Manage Accounts. If you look below, here you will see some apps like TikTok, Facebook, Google, and Apple. Just tap Link next to Google or one of them. I'm gonna link Google here. Then tap Continue to sign in. Then select Google account. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Continue. And my Google account has been linked. Now tap on Unlink, and again tap Unlink, and it's unlinked. Once the second account is successfully linked, you can proceed to unlink TikTok. But if your CapCut account isn't connected to Apple ID, Google, or TikTok, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Uninstall and reinstall app. Go to Home Screen, tap and hold the CapCut icon. Now tap Remove app, then tap Delete. Again tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now go to the App Store and install this app again. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching.